stickers you can send me. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Maraming viewers. Good afternoon. Kantik, kantik. Ahmad Body, hello. Where is the original host? Me. I am the original. Why? Analia Andrade Lil, hello. Good afternoon. 97 viewers. Good afternoon. 97 viewers. Good afternoon. Yeah, you're a Filipino host. Yes, I am a Filipina. I am a Filipina. I live in the Philippines, Canberra. Yeah. Okay, mouse. Yes, thank you so much, Kimberly. Victor Velma, hello. Good afternoon. Welcome to my live. Raul Panganiban, hello. Welcome to my live. Welcome to my live.
Wala, si ate ba? May parcel natin eh.
Ano sa man? Hello, hello, Esoy. Raul Panganiban, hello, good afternoon. To those who are new to my channel, can please subscribe, like, and subscribe. Thank you, thank you. For those who have super chat and super stickers, you can send me. Gusto kong matutunan ng iyong wika. Tama yan, Ken Billy, tama yan. Kinsa na? Pila? I-Gcash akong bayad ni mo, be? Okay. Kaning, sir, 912-482-5605. Gcash na kayo, ma'am. Pila? Ha? 259? Ah. I-Gcash ako ni Muhammad ko live.
Ha?
I-Gcash ako ni Muhammad ko live.
Pinagkas na.
Ah. 259 pila tanan?
Yes.
269. Nakita ko yung mga picture mo. Ang ganda mo talaga. Di naman masyado, Wizoy. Come on, darling. Show me your moves. What moves you want to see? Our channel. Sige, mamaya. Gusto kong kumaha ng kurso sa host mo. Sige, mag-enroll ka mamaya. Ken Burley. Gay Alferez, hello. 01, hello. Po, Cheya, hello. Good afternoon. Good afternoon. Good afternoon.